OnePlus 13R anticipated release and features. Hey everyone, welcome back to News Now Live. Today, we're diving into some hot news from OnePlus. The OnePlus 13R is making waves as it inches closer to its official release. Thanks to a recent Geekbench listing, we now know a lot more about this highly anticipated device. So let's break it all down. First off, what exactly did the Geekbench listing reveal? Well, the OnePlus 13R is confirmed to feature Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chipset. This is the same powerful processor we saw in the OnePlus 12, making it a strong contender for 2025's mid-tier flagship market. Paired with 12 GB of RAM, the 13R is shaping up to deliver smooth multitasking and gaming performance. And, as usual, OnePlus is likely to offer multiple storage and RAM configurations to suit different budgets. So, how does the OnePlus 13R stack up against its sibling, the OnePlus 13? Well, think of it as a slightly more affordable option. While the 13 sports the all-new Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, the 13R sticks with the Gen 3. But don't worry, it still packs plenty of power for most users. Rumors also suggest the OnePlus 13R could bring some surprises. Better cameras, a larger battery, maybe even a refined display. These upgrades could make it a real standout in its price segment. Now, here's the timeline. The OnePlus 13R is expected to launch globally in early 2025, alongside the international version of the OnePlus 13. And here's an interesting twist. The OnePlus 13R might actually be a rebranded version of the OnePlus Ace 5, which is set to launch exclusively in China soon.